Found a dark ceiling stain or musty smell that won't quit? You're probably wondering if it's mold and whether you need to pay someone to find out. Hardware store mold kits come in two types: Petri dish air samplers and surface swab kits. Both have real limits you should know before spending $30. Petri dish kits leave an open dish in a room for days. The problem? Mold spores are everywhere. Nearly any home will show some growth. That result tells you almost nothing useful. Swab kits are more targeted. They can confirm whether that black bathroom stain is actually mold. But they still can't find hidden colonies or measure how serious the problem is. A professional inspector brings tools kits can't match: moisture meters that read inside walls, thermal cameras that spot hidden wet insulation, and lab-calibrated air samplers. They map moisture across your whole home, sample the air indoors and outdoors, and deliver a written report, the document your insurance adjuster and contractor will actually ask for. Skip the kit entirely if you smell mold but can't see it, had a water leak recently, or a family member has unexplained respiratory issues. These situations need a pro from the start. Don't guess with your family's health. Call Go Green Restoration of NC at 919-906-5473 for a free estimate.